Hello my lovelies, Radhe Radhe, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about 3 product reviews from the same genre, that is the cushion foundation range. K-Beauty cushion foundation, Nykaa cushion foundation and L'Oreal cushion foundation. I'll give you a detailed review of each product and I'll apply them. The Nykaa and L'Oreal I'll be using for the first time compared to the K-Beauty which I have been using for a long time, like 3 to 4 months. So let's get started. So I'll divide my face and apply 3 different foundation in 3 different spaces. Here I'll apply the Nykaa foundation, here the L'Oreal and here the K-Beauty because that I'm already using for a while and I have already given a detailed review on that product. So let's start with the Nykaa cushion foundation. This is Nykaa's cushion foundation. It comes at a price point of 749 rupees for 15 ml of product. It has SPF 50 PA++++. It also has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Hyaluronic acid for moisture balance, niacinamide for brightening your skin tone. This comes in 10 different shades to match your skin tone, and this is, I think, compared to the all cushion foundation, this comes in like budgeted price, because at a discount price at Nykaa you can get it at minimum to minimum that I got 649 rupees. So maximum of 100 rupees discount you can get, and you don't know, if Nykaa feel likes it can give you even more discount. So let's try it. The packaging is cute Nykaa, pinky, and the opening is from the logo. You open it, there is a pizza puff. This is what they call, this is like lightweight compared to the L'Oreal one and the K-Beauty one because they are quite heavy and fluffy, I feel. Same cushion foundation thing like K-Beauty. This is the shade. I'm using the shade 410 light. Yes, am I correct? Yes, 410 Y light. So let's use it. I'll not dab too extra. It says it gives full coverage, but if in the price range of 7 to 600, if it gives me a medium buildable coverage also, I'll be like, thank you Nykaa, you made it. So it's kind of like coverage. This is not like exactly my shade, but I always prefer a lighter shade to my exact skin tone because I'll be applying some kind of blush or contour or bronzer which will define my face, and then again you have to apply some lighter things up here. So क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है अगर आप अपना ही शेड चूज करोगे तो. So the application is easy like a regular cushion foundation. So you can see, I'll show you in this natural light as well as yellow light. See it in yellow light. It's like quite good amount of coverage. Isn't it so? Without concealer, I think it's quite good at a price point of 6 to 700. I feel it's good. I only got it in 650 rupees, so yes. The next is L'Oreal Infallible's 24-hour long fresh wear cushion foundation. This doesn't have any hyaluronic acid or any kind of acid formulation. Neither does it have any kind of SPF stuff. It comes for 11 grams of products for at a price of 1249. You can get it at low as 1062 currently. Future, we never know. I have bought the shade 140 neutral because I use lots of L'Oreal foundation and all are in 140 medium or neutral range. So let's try this. This too comes in 10 different shades like the Nykaa one. It comes in this kind of black packaging like the L'Oreal Infallible stuff. And it's like you press it and then open it, almost like the K-Beauty one. Lovely cushion. This is like, yes, it's fluffier compared to the Nykaa one, and comes in mirror, and this is the shade color. So yes, this says it's oxidation proof, 24-hour wear, long lasting, sweat proof, so on and so forth. Let's apply it. This is, I feel, exactly my shade is, I think. This is actually what the shade I apply for other L'Oreal products. So I have no complaints on the shade for L'Oreal. I feel this is more dewy compared to Nykaa, and obviously K-Beauty. K-Beauty dries out my skin so bad. I don't know what problem K has with me. So comparing this part and this, more or less same. It doesn't say full coverage but says flawless coverage. Indeed lightweight oxidation, we don't know yet. I will check and let you know. So this is really easy application. The sponge is great, but I don't feel currently any difference between the Nykaa and this 1000 or 1200 ka product. So I don't know whether I'll be biased or not. Last and not the least, K-Beauty, but I lost the cushion. So I bought this in the shade 130Y medium, which I didn't really like because I don't know. And see, it's drying. K is drying for me. See, it's maybe, I don't know, some people who are like biased towards K will say कि बहुत दिन से खरीद के रखा हुआ है इसलिए शायद होगा. मुझे नहीं लगता. It has always been like this. Drying kind of a stuff. Heavy. See, no proper coverage. This always feels heavy on my skin, and this is the amount of coverage I don't know it gives. See this glowy parts compared to the dry part. So I always say, even if it has 12 different shades, even if it has like a 14 gram of product for 1600, even if it has hyaluronic acid and squalane for hydration, but it really doesn't give that amount of hydration, I feel you need to have properly moisturized your skin. Oxidation, it oxidizes, really it does, because I regularly used to wear this on my work or office or stuffs like that, but it didn't work for me, so I stopped and shifted to the L'Oreal tinted foundation or the Maybelline tinted foundation with the SPF. So this is kind of a no-no. I try to then mix it here with other products and then use it. So this K-Beauty Cushion Foundation I have not repurchased. As you can see, I'm using the really old bottle. It does comes in 12 different shades. It has 40 SPF PA double plus compared to Nykaa's 50 PA 4 plus. It has a price range of 1600. This is my full face in yellow light. As you can see, this is not full coverage of K-Beauty, but a glowy dewy look of L'Oreal, glowy dewy look of Nykaa. Now let's check on the transfer proof part. This is for L'Oreal side. Not like completely. Okay. सफेद लाइट पे भी चेक कर लेती हूँ. ज़्यादा नहीं है. See, not too much of a product came out. Now check this other side with the Nykaa one. Nykaa actually didn't came anything apart from the oily dewy finish. Other than that, nothing came out for Nykaa. I think at a price point of that, Nykaa is great. Let's check this one. I already know. Yes, it is not like definitely transfer proof at a price point of that, but overall I don't feel, because I'm sweating a lot, they are completely sweat proof. They are not. None of them are. Only if you wearing thick foundation and concealer, then only it's sweat proof. Other than NARS, Maybelline Superstay Lumi Foundation, these are really transfer proof, and I would say they are like dewy at the same time, illuminating. and a long hour wear foundation. But these cushion foundations are not. I haven't used the Turtle, but I would like to use it. So at a price point of this, I think Nykaa feels great if you want a budgeted cushion foundation, and L'Oreal is always the best for me because it really works great for my skin. But the problem, it has no proper like skincare ingredients for make your skin healthy, and it doesn't have a SPF, so that's a drawback to L'Oreal. And K Beauty, I'm not going to repurchase it. I'll purchase the Turtle one but not the K Beauty one. पैसा ज़्यादा दे देंगे अच्छा प्रोडक्ट के लिए, लेकिन ऐसे प्राइस में ये मिले तो I'll not buy. But let me know in the comments if you agree with me or not, because I am more biased towards L'Oreal always, but this time they doesn't have SPF, which is a drawback, because at a price point of 700, Nykaa is giving you SPF and quality skincare products. So there is a stiff competition for you, L'Oreal. View, as you can see it clearly on, I have shown you in white light. This is in yellow light. See the amount of glow and see no glow. So I don't know why I will purchase 1600 for this. So I'll definitely can buy in 749 or the L'Oreal one, definitely for any kind of foundation, light foundation look. Let me know in the comments whether you agree with me or disagree with me, whether you have used all these products or not. And because these two products are the first time usage from my side, and K Beauty I'm not a big fan, as I have already posted a detailed video on my K Beauty cushion foundation experience. So L'Oreal and Nykaa first application was good compared to the K Beauty one's first application. So I'm definitely looking forward to L'Oreal's making different kind of like adjustments or upgradation to its cushion foundation, like adding SPF or any kind of hydration based products to your foundation. So if you have used it, please let me know in the comments whether you agree with it or not, and whether I should have covered more. And the oxidation results, I will definitely post it. See, I've applied it for like 4 to 5 hours. This is the L'Oreal side. I hope you can clearly see. Not much of oxidation. This side, Nykaa side, no oxidation. I avoided the K Beauty part. See, no coverage. It is indeed lightweight. No oxidation. Not like proper oxidation because I haven't applied too much of it. So I feel it's good. Not too much of wear it off. So Nykaa is definitely at that price point is great, I believe.